Namaskar. In this video, we will see the facial nerve. Facial nerve is the seventh cranial nerve. As it supplies muscles of face, it is called as facial nerve. It is the nerve of second pharyngeal arch. So it supplies all muscles derived from second pharyngeal arch, and these muscles are the occipitofrontalis muscle of the scalp, the muscles of facial expression, the buccinator, the rhizorius, platysma, the posterior belly of digastric, stylohyoid, the auricular muscles, and the stapedius muscle of the middle ear. The facial nerve consists of various components. The spatial visceral efferent component. The nucleus of this component is motor nucleus of facial nerve, which lies in the lower part of pons, and this component supplies the muscles which are derived from second pharyngeal arch. The second component is general visceral efferent component. This is a parasympathetic component, and one nucleus of this component is the lacrymatry nucleus. The fibers from this nucleus are carried by the nervus intermedius, facial nerve, then by the greater petrosal branch of the facial nerve beginning from geniculate ganglion and released in the pterygopalatine ganglion, and the postganglionic parasympathetic fibers supplies the lacrimal gland which produces tears, and the fibers also supply the glands of nose, palate, and the pharynx. The second nucleus of the general visceral efferent component is superior salivatory nucleus. The fibers from this nucleus are carried by the nervus intermedius facial nerve, then by the chorda tympani branch of facial nerve, and released in submandibular ganglion, and the postganglionic parasympathetic fibers directly supply submandibular salivary gland and indirectly via the lingual nerve to the sublingual salivary gland. The submandibular and sublingual salivary glands produces saliva. Third component is spatial visceral efferent component. It carries the spatial sensation, that is taste sensation, gustatory. The taste sensations from anterior 2/3 of tongue are carried by chorda tympani branch of facial nerve. They reaches the nucleus of solitary tract, that is the solitary tract nucleus. The fourth component is general somatic efferent component. It carries the general sensations from the skin of auricle. The facial nerve doesn't supply directly to the auricle, but via the auricular branch of the vagus nerve. These fibers are believed to come in the facial nerve, and the nucleus of this component is spinal nucleus of trigeminal nerve, but according to some authors, this nucleus is mesencephalic nucleus of trigeminal nerve. So these are the components and nuclei of the facial nerve.